Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I want to show you how to edit your channel icon.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
If you want to edit your channel icon, go to your YouTube channel main page. You can select it from main menu and push button YouTube channel. And when you are on this page, you can simply push button with this camera on your profile icon, push button edit. And here you have option to remove what I show you on the last video or change. In this case, we will be use change. And we have two options. You can upload here a new photo, so you can push this button and select new image from your computer, or you can drag and drop here image. Second option is use your photos what you have uploaded on your account. I have uploaded 3 images. These images are the same, so I use one of this. So I select this and set as profile photo. And that's all. Your profile picture is updated. You will need waiting a couple of minutes when every place where this logo is used will be updated. If you have any question about this topic or how to manage YouTube channel, put this question to comments. If you're interested in some topic and you want I'm preparing this video about this topic, put information about this topic in comments.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.